Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable navigation to gestures feature in your Poco smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First go to home screen by long press on your home screen. Then you can see system navigation. Click on gestures and here you can see the gestures enabled. I show you how it works. When you just click on anything and if you want to go back, just swipe right side like this, and if you go to the home screen, then you have to swipe upwards like this, and little back, like swipe right hand side like this. And if you want to touch icons, then long press this home screen, go to settings, go to more. Here it is system navigation, click on buttons, and friends, you can see the buttons will appear. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.